When you see and hear engine fire warnings and alerts, it's time to start the engine fire in-flight checklist. The first part of this checklist, which is a memory item, directs you to move the throttle lever to idle and wait for 15 seconds. This is done to eliminate the possibility of a false alarm due to a bleed air leak. This 15-second wait and monitor period is a good time to bring up the engine fire in-flight checklist on your PFD or MFD. If the engine fire warning persists, which is now a sure sign of a fire, you would lift the guard and push the engine fire acknowledge switch. Remember, this action closes the fuel shutoff valve, cancels the RO alarm, and arms the fire bottles for discharge. Since the engine will no longer be running and fuel is no longer being introduced, the fire may extinguish at this point. If the overhead fire light remains on, the checklist will direct you to press the illuminated left push to discharge button. This action fires the squib and releases the fire suppression agent from the left fire bottle. If the fire light remains on or reappears, you would then discharge the right fire suppression bottle per the checklist. Following these actions, you would be directed to land as soon as possible using the Perform Emergency Landing Without Power checklist. While accomplishing any checklist, be sure to read the if statements carefully. Only proceed with the part of the checklist that fits the conditional if statement. Certain checklists should be performed on a more timely basis than others, but you should never rush through the process, as this could cause errors to be committed and will cause additional problems. Always be sure to complete all steps on a checklist until you see procedure complete.